Well, today I'm going to show you how to make your fills more exciting by using a 4-against-3 polyrhythm. It creates tension, surprise, and sounds great in both jazz and funk. If you're new to this channel, I'm a former U.S. Army drummer and now play professionally in the Kansas City area. And one quick thing before we get started, if you're a drummer really trying to get your hands together, I have something that will really help you with that. I have my 10 best exercises for speed that I'd like to send you absolutely free. And these are the same type of exercises that helped my student Matthew Lam win a fastest hands drumming competition 2 years in a row. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below to get a free copy. Okay, the best way to understand this 4-against-3 fill is to compare it with a basic triplet fill. Triplets are normally played in groups of 3, so here's a basic fill. So that sounds very familiar. It works for a lot of situations, whether playing a jazz beat or maybe even a shuffle. If we take that same fill and accent every 4 notes instead of every 3, we create a 4-against-3 polyrhythm. It creates tension and is interesting because it's unexpected.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
We can also extend that same idea for 2 measures. Here are 2 measures of time and 2 measures of 4-against-3 triplets. This idea also works for shuffles and half-time funk shuffles. Here are 2 measures of time followed by 2 measures of a 4-against-3 fill. I demonstrated these ideas on the snare drum because I think that's the easiest place to start. But once you have these down, you can move some of the notes around the set. For instance, you can move the accents to the toms. I hope you found this interesting and helpful. Again, if you're really wanting to get your stick technique together, download my 10 best free exercises for speed in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I have another video on 3-against-4 polyrhythm ideas that I know will also really help you. Please watch that one next, and we'll see you next time.